In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a user in PayPal. If you previously blocked someone in PayPal and now want to allow them back into your contact list, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can find your blocked contacts and remove the block without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and make sure you're on your main account area. From there, look for the Send and Request section. This is where PayPal keeps the tools related to sending money, requesting payments, and managing the people connected to your account. Go ahead and click Send and Request to continue. Once you're inside that area, the next thing you need to do is open your full contact list. Depending on what you currently see on screen, PayPal may only show a smaller selection of recent or suggested contacts at first. To access the complete list, click Show All Contacts. This will take you to the Full Contacts page, where you can manage more than just your recent activity. After the full contacts list opens, look for the option labeled View Blocked Contacts. This is the section that stores any users you have blocked in the past. Click that option to open the blocked contacts list. Now, you'll be able to see the users that are currently blocked on your account. Find the specific person you want to unblock. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct contact, especially if you have more than one blocked user, or if some names look similar. Once you've found the right person, move to their entry and click Unblock. After you do that, the block will be removed, and that user will no longer appear in your blocked contacts list. At that point, they can be interacted with normally again through PayPal, depending on your account settings and any other restrictions that may apply. A helpful tip here is to double check your contact list after unblocking someone, just to confirm the change went through successfully. If you don't immediately see the update, try refreshing the page or navigating back into the blocked contacts section one more time. And that's all it takes to unblock a user in PayPal. Just go to Send and Request, open Show All Contacts, select View Blocked Contacts, and then choose the user you want to unblock. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.